Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the WOOHSE Bath Tap. Yeah, it's a nice tap with a shower tap too. You have a hand shower option and of course the standard tap option. That means you have a two-in-one solution here. It's a bath tap with a hand shower. The bath tap has first-class workmanship ingredients, H59A quality brass, and precious chrome-plated coating. It's lead-free and rust-proof because of the cover of the chrome. It is practical and space saving because it has a modern design. But it is compact. That means it is really good. I'm going to attach it in a sauna area because there is so an old tap on the wall mounted. We are going to dislike this, and this will bring this sauna area to an up to state of the art shower system standard. It is practical and space saving because it is a little bit compact. The hand shower comes with three types or jet types: rain, massage jet, and rain massage. You can switch between the types with or by pressing the buttons in the center of the shower head. We can set one of the three water jet programs, and it has silicon silicon surface at the jet outrance. That means if you have there some white things on it, then it's really easy to clean. Whoa, the only one to do is rubber with your hand or the towel over these silicon areas, and the dirt will be gone immediately. It's really easy to clean. The mixer tap with the high quality workmanship cartridge system with wear resistant ceramic sealing washers. Inside is not plastic assembled or attached. It is made out of high quality ceramic. That means you can better mix your hot and cold water, and it's durable. It's more durable to do this with these materials than others like plastic. That means it's durable and robust, and it has a brass core. This is easy to clean, and it's approved according to KTW's guideline. And of course, it's really easy to install. I will make a separate video because of the attachment of this system here. But thanks to the 1/2 inches connection according to DIN standard, it's really easy and quick to install for bath taps. The only thing you have to do is switch off your water supply, then remove the old tap from the wall. Then you can already install this bath tap. Rotate it right turn to attach it. No, the nuts, okay? Then attach the hand shower. Switch on the water supply. Job's done. That it is. Because it is a standard dimensions on the backside of the water connection. It is 1/2 inches connections, and it is 15 centimeters range between the two water access points, and this is standard in all Europe. And I think in America should this too. It's really easy and nice to install. I will show you later. The materials are really good. If you touch the surface of this bathtub, you can feel the quality. All things what is built in are good because it's made out of rust-proof materials. It's lead-free. It has a chrome-plated finish, and this chrome-plated finish looks really good. And you have 3 water outlet modes. One button switching is convenient and fast, using them both sidely, and of course elderly can use it, children can use it, and of course you can do this at the same. You have a bubble water setup, a massage water setup, and a mixed water setup. Really easy, really easy. You have a ceramic spool, hot and cold switching. Hot and cold switching is really easy. One button adjustment of the hot and the cold water, easy to switch to make our shower easier. Class A 59 copper is multi-layer plating, smooth and bright, resistance to erosions. Copper material, healthy lead-free, stay away from the lead pollution. Awesome. And if you are will assemble this on a new water connection, in the box are curved foods inside. General standard inlet holes. United standards, simple installation, compatible with the multiple sizes. This means we are worried more. We have no more worry about installation. 1/2 inches interface connection hose means this is the standard. And you have a 3/4 inches universal interface connection for the faucet body. You can measure by yourself. If your 2 connections where the water supply comes out of the wall should be maximum 165 millimeters, minimum range is 135. And if this matches, this tap will match with your wall or connection. When you used with the curved foot, the mounting hole distance is 135 up to 165 millimeters. That means you can adjust it by your own, and you can make that this match to your water supply system. The overall bright is 150. These are 5.9 inches up to 175. These are 6.9 inches, and the length of it is about 110. These are 4.3 inches. This is a small, but it is a modern tap, not a kitchen tap, it's a bath tap. And the hand shower is overall 240. These are 9.4 inches. And wide is 65. These are 2.6 inches. And you have a wall mount too in the set. You can attach it on or at the near of your bathroom water supply easily. WOOHSE Bath Taps with hand shower for complete bathing pleasure. With that WOOHSE Bath Mixer Tap, we can control the amount of water and the water temperature of the bath, inlet, and the hand shower easily and precisely. Thanks to the integrated diverter, we can easily switch between the bath inlet for bath filling and the hand shower too. We have multi-layer chrome surface, highly reflective mirror surface. The bath battery also looks elegant and luxurious. The bath tap can be connected to all standard hot and cold water systems out there. So, it is for the bathroom. Design is a single lever mixer tap. It's for cold and hot water supply. The design is wall mounting and the pipe connections are 2-hole. This is standard in bathroom. The connection thread is 1/2 inches. The center distance of them are 150 millimeters plus minus 15 millimeters because of the additional parts, what is included. The material is chrome plated brass, and you will get all what you need. It's really easy to install. I will show you later, but this is the WOOHSE Bath Tap with a hand shower, with an additional hand shower. This is really awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.